the office. It's up to you to decide when you want to work. You just need to meet up with the working time that are required. So, but over there, German people come to work like at 8 sharp. Everybody, like there was like, okay, if it was me like working there, like not just as an intern, I would like maybe go sometimes later because there are like more flexible time. But due to like, and their working time, it's different. Like for us here in some company, it's just working day by day, but it's like collecting times for me working there. They require me to work 7 hours a day, but I can work 8 or 9 as I want, and all the extended time or like extra time I already work, I can change that to like my holidays. So due to my concern about my internship time due to the delay of my start, I actually like work 9 hours a day for a month. Then in the end, I have like two weeks of vacation that I can have. So this was pretty pretty much the strange thing I experienced there. I don't know many companies in Thailand that have this like working culture like this. And like Piti said before, I would like people there like give me advice. My supervisor before I left, he gave me this advice and pretty stressed on it. Like when you go to work, be prepared. Like don't be shy. Don't like if nobody gives you the work, don't just sit there. Go out and ask anybody. They are willing because they know you there to learn. Go ask anybody like, hey, what you are doing? Like, can I help? Can I see? There wouldn't be much concern if there's not confidential stuff. But because for us, the only opportunity to learn is to ask them. Nobody gonna provide the things for us. There's not like curriculum in the working place that they're gonna give to us for like, hey, you're gonna go see this, go see this to learn. You need to go out and ask them. And another thing, my work is like different from my friends' work because it's not routine work or observing work. It's more, I was shocked the first time they gave me the work because it was a big project. Like they expect me to finish it within 6 weeks of working time. So and if all of you or some of you have learned the engineering management, there's this one branch called the operational management. The work I got assigned is to balance the assembly line of the engine, of the car engine on my own without any like I'm not an assistant. They throw this project at me. Like on the second day, they just called me to a meeting and they said, you got to do that within 6 weeks. I was like, oh, I'm not sure whether I can do that, but one thing I know, don't say no to the work. Don't say that I can't do it, I won't do it. Just try it first. From my experience, if you work slowly, try to figure it out, you will resolve it in the end. Because after all, they expect me to finish it within 6 weeks, right? I finished it in 2 weeks, and after that, they don't know what else work to give to me. So I got some like management work, like making slides for the manager and stuff instead. But the experience there was pretty good. I got to see how the engine was assembled, like both in the automation factory and in like by hand, step by step. Understanding like for like the ANMI student, you got to see what actual engine, like more updated one that we have than in the lab. How it's made, how many special tools are needed for each part, how the sequence of each thing must be in and out. It's pretty fun actually seeing it. And working in a factory, you need to be concerned pretty much about their safety. Because first of all, this is first-hand experience. I was in a shop with a technician. I was asking him and stuff, and he was doing his work, and like he accidentally dropped a wrench that was like 3 foot long. Like it's nearly hit my foot. And like I was thinking right then, if I wasn't wearing the safety shoe, what would happen to my feet? So if they have any safety precaution in their factory or anything, please follow them. It's not there for no reason, because like they are there to help you come back out with in one piece. So maybe we have some more like do and don't from each place. Like Fiti got some.
Okay, I almost forget this. Yes, an internship is a great opportunity for all of you to experience a new thing, experience something that beyond a textbook. But you need to remember that to not to break any safety regulation. This is very important because it may lead to injury or even a legal problem. For example, it's like last week of my internship, and I got a free time, and my beloved Arrow friends and I decide to we were just curious about how the emergency staircase of the Boeing 747 works. So so we decide to sneak in the hangar during a lunch break where all technicians were at the canteen. And there's a electronics compartment room under first class. The mat was open. Okay, like we go under there. We see, so we can see like, hey, this is like avionics. This is autopilot. This is radar system, and there's a door and like above a nose gear, and there will be a staircase. Just a staircase. You just deploy it. There should be no problem, right? And I'm the one who go to pick up the staircase under the airplane, and yes, the stairs like 2 step that we are locked. You need to remove a pin, and the stair will be like deployed out. During a deploy, they would like smash to the fuselage eventually, and create a loud noise, very very loud noise that will like be absolutely noticed by everyone if they're surround. But yes, there's very lucky. There's a lunch break and no securities there, so we put it back in place very fast, I guess, and we leave there like nothing happened. And that's an example of things that you shouldn't do. Even though there's a lot of story here, and I will not tell it. จะพูดอะไรไหมครับ
Okay, so that's all, I think should be all of our experience that we shared. Hope that it will help you guys during your internship. If you got any more questions, you can always ask your seniors. They already passed this period of time, like all of us. So good luck on your intern.
Thanks for your time, students. Now moving on to the closing of this session, I would like to invite Ajana Kawat to please come up on the stage and give the closing speech for today. And thanks for your patience, all you guys.
Okay, so for people who don't know me, my name is Akwat Surisuk. Okay, I'm the new deputy director of the ISC. Okay, in charge of student affairs. So since you're in the junior, so you'll see me next year again. Okay, hopefully if I don't get fired. But okay, so I'm here to give you a closing speech on behalf of the director Ajahn Chumpon. Okay, so I think so far the session's been pretty good, except your behavior, which is quite unacceptable. Okay, you should learn that if you go out to the working world, this behavior will not be tolerated. Okay, chit-chatting, talking, that is not acceptable. Okay, so next time be respectful to all the speakers who take their time off to give you some knowledge and suggestion. So keep that in mind. And then when you go out to the working world, you represent the Faculty of Engineering at Chulalongkorn University. So please behave that way. Okay, don't tarnish our reputation. Okay, anyone got that? Right? Okay. So, but I would like to thank all the speakers, two nice ladies from Accenture, and who give you some free souvenirs, and the 4 seniors that give you some tips and some experience on the past internship. And hopefully your internship will go smoothly, and Pime will not have any problem dealing with your problems. Okay, so that's all. So have a good evening and see you again.
Thank you, Ajan, and thank you guys for your precious time. All the best for your internship. Hope we are not going to get any negative comment this time. Thank you.